Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to count down a fanny pack. First things first, you're going to need a fanny pack, right? So in this fanny pack, you're going to figure out whose fanny pack you're counting down. It's very important that you start off with that so you know whose money it is and that you're not stuck at the end trying to figure out whose it is. So for example, I have AJ's fanny pack. And these slips can be located in this front pocket, or some team members like to put it in this very small pocket. So check both before freaking out if you can't find it. There, make sure that the coin dispenser is in there, and then that, of course, the cash is in there. Next, you're going to need your change fund bag. So these are located in the manager stand in the safe. Okay, so you're going to have the fives bag, change fund bag, so it's going to have the bigger bills such as your 10s, 20s, 50s, etc. And then you're going to have your ones bag. Next, you're going to need the change fund coin box. Okay, this is very important for counting and filling up the coin dispenser. Now let's go ahead and take the money out of the fanny pack and organize it. So you're going to have your ones, which are located in the small bag. Put those here. Then fives and any additional cash that they may have. So separate out all the fives. Put these right in the middle. And then all the bigger bills, which we'll place over here. And then we have our coin dispenser. So now everything, make sure there's no extra money hanging around in the fanny pack. All right, all empty, all good to go. So the first thing that you're going to want to count down from the fanny pack is the coin dispenser. So with these coins, you're going to want to fill them up all the way to the top. So in order to fill up the coin dispenser with coins, that's when you come over to the change fund bucket and you get the coins from here. So if you look at this coin dispenser, what's it look like we're needing? It looks like we're good on pennies. It looks like we could use a little bit more nickels, a little more dimes, and a little bit more quarters. So you have your coins from the coin bucket, but you don't want to just start filling them up, because then at that point we're going to be short in change fund. So that's where the money from the fanny pack comes into play. So we're going to go ahead and take $1. We're going to place it into the ones bag. Make sure it goes directly into there. And since we put $1 into the change fund, we're able to take $1 out in quarters. And we're just going to fill it up. All right, and it looks like it probably used another $1. So we go another $1 to the ones bag. And you take another $1's worth in quarters. So it goes all the way to the top. All right, so if you notice, this one doesn't want to go in all the way anymore. I'll push it down a little bit, but if it doesn't go all the way in, that's fine. But it looks like we still have 50 cents left. So we also needed dimes and nickels, right? So we can just trade those 50 cents that we have, place them back, and then just get the 50 cents back in dimes. 4, 5, okay? Looks like we're good there, but it still looks like we need a few more dimes and then just a little bit more nickels. So we're gonna go and do another $1. 20, 30. Okay, we're good on the dimes. 30, 50. All right, it looks like no more will fit in there. So we still have 50 cents left over. Now those 50 cents, it's okay that they stay in the coin bucket as they are, because you just don't want extra coins laying around in the fanny pack, right? So that'd be good. So once all the coins are filled up all the way to the top, it should equal $19. So now that we counted down our coin dispenser, we can go ahead and set that off to the side. Next, we're going to start off by counting our ones and our fives. So for ones, we should have $31 in ones. And fives, we should have $50 worth of fives. So let's go ahead and count down the ones. See how many we have. 6, 27, 28. So we only have 28 ones. So to get to 31, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we need $3 more. So in order to get those $3, it wouldn't make sense to just trade out a 20 to get $3, right? So we're just going to go ahead and add in a $5 bill and get $5 in ones back. So I went ahead and traded it out for $5. Now we only needed 3 to make the 31, so I'm going to put the 3 into our ones. And then this extra $2 that we had, that's going to go into our profit. So we just set that off to the side as our profit. So you just want to double check that you have $31 in ones. $31 in ones. Good. So we're gonna go ahead and place those into the dollar pocket and the fanny pack since it's already done. Just have it there so it doesn't get confused with any of the other money. And so we needed $50 in fives. So let's see how many fives we have. 5, 40, 45. So it looks like we only need $5 more to get to the 50 mark, right? So again, I'm not gonna trade out a 20 for fives. I'm gonna go ahead and trade out a 10. So I'll put this into the bigger bills change fund bag. And I'm gonna get $10 back in fives. Check that, and we only needed one more to get to 50, so I'm gonna place that in there. The additional is our profit. So just go ahead and recount that. 40, 45, 50. And we have our $50 in fives now. Yay. Put those back in there safely, along with our coin dispenser that's filled all the way up to the top. Close that up, set that off to the side, and our fanny pack is counted down. So now we look at what we had for profit. Or say we had $20 worth of $5 bills in here. Rather than just taking this to the back and feeding 4 5s for the 20, switch that out. So you're not feeding a bunch of smaller bills. You would much rather have fewer smaller bills and replace those with bigger bills. So now everything that we had left over is our profit that we've made. It's very important that we keep that small slip, paper clip that together, and now we're gonna take it to the back and deposit it. All right, friends, so now you have your money. Enter your bills, put in your password, okay, and then cashier deposit, and then you just feed the money. You're gonna click done. Okay, done. There we go. You're gonna take the little slip, comes into here. Very important that you put the name of the team member on there. So this is AJ's. And take it to the front to settle it. So we're gonna come to the register. We're on the POS right now, but we're going to want to go to store management. Use our card to give us access to store management, site operations, and then we're going to find AJ's name. We're going to close the shift, finally the settlement, and we should have $50 or $57.75. Let's find out. $57. Yay. So we're gonna input that into there. $57. Okay. The net discounts, you always want to equal amount. So 209. And here you're gonna type 209. All is good. Even. Is at $57. The rest you leave alone. Save that. Once you save it, little slip's gonna come out through here. This slip is very important, so keep that with the deposit slip. We're gonna paper clip it together and place it back into the office. So now you have the deposit slip and the cashier's shift paper paper clip together. You're gonna place that in where it says drawer settlements. It's in there and you're all good to go.